Today is 19th of May 2020, which is basically 19 is 1, 5 plus 4 is 9, which is 1. So basically it's the sun energy which is prevalent today. Sun means Raja, sun means king, sun means your father, sun means the person who is taking care of you. So it's basically, it also represents your ego, it also represents your anger, it's also represents blood related. So it is very very important that you calm yourself down and give jal to sun. So now let's have a reading for today. So I have angel tarot cards, through which we will try to find out what is the energy which is kind of resonating for today. So here we go, the first. So what is the anchor card for today, which is 19th of Feb 2020? Okay, 3 cards fell and I will take them in a sequence. Okay. So the first card which came is balance. This is the first card, balance. So basically what does it mean? Archangel Zadkiel, it's 1 and 4. Balance between Sun and Rahu. The need to balance, need for balance and moderation, cooperation and compromise, wait for perfect timing. ये बताते हैं कि आपको परफेक्ट टाइमिंग के लिए इंतज़ार करना पड़ेगा, बैलेंस करने की ज़रूरत है, मॉडरेशन में चलने की ज़रूरत है, कॉपरेशन और कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करने की ज़रूरत है और परफेक्ट टाइम के लिए वेट करो. सेकेंड कार्ड इज़ 10 ऑफ वाटर. आई थिंक ये कल भी आया था, कल 9 ऑफ वाटर आया था. अ कंटेंटेड एंड रिवॉर्डेड फैमिली लाइफ. सो फॉर द पीपल हु विल वॉच दिस वीडियो अभी या फिर बाद में, उनके लिए है इट्स कंटेंटेड and rewarding family life. Your emotional and material needs are met, trustworthy relationships are coming. Then the third card for today is Queen of Water. Queen of Water is basically relationship developed to a new level, trust and intuition, care for yourself. Because I think this came yesterday also. So it basically says you need to balance your emotions. It's all about emotions. Your family, your love interest, new or old love, whosoever is there in your life, please balance that. Now I have fairy cards for today, so let me see what fairy cards are telling us. So what guidance are we getting from the angels, from the fairies, from the subtle small kids of angels, fairies? So what messages am I getting for today? Higher consciousness. It's a very interesting card. Okay, higher consciousness. If you'll balance your emotions, you'll go to the higher consciousness. Let me just read it out for you. And so what exactly it means. Okay, so the higher consciousness card which came for today, which is this card, which is as per the fairy cards, is you are receiving guidance from your true self, your higher consciousness, which is one with the divine universal wisdom. You are listening to love rather than fear. These days this is the guidance card. These days we are fearful for our career, for our family, and we are not able to balance our money with our family needs and all, and we need to balance our fear also. So it's saying that you should listen to love rather than fear. This card is a validation that your recent feelings, thoughts, dreams and aspirations are coming from spirit. You have been asking for divine guidance and your higher self has answered your prayers. Your spiritual path has helped you hear this voice because you have taken the time to listen. Perhaps you have begun a meditation or yoga practice and this has helped you to quiet your mind, or maybe you have put your foot down to the universe and have adamantly decided to improve your life. Whichever route you have taken is working very well for you. Now the fairies ask you to keep having conversations with your higher conscious. This will involve craving out time away from noise and stress. You may need to take frequent nature walks, join a spiritual support group, go on a retreat. Obviously, after lockdown opens up, by quieting your life and your mind, the voice of your higher consciousness becomes increasingly loud and clear. It guides you perfectly through all the life areas. Affirmation is I easily hear and understand the inner voice of the spirit. Okay, so let's take out the final card for today as per queries. So what is the final card guidance for all of us for our highest good? Okay, so two cards popped up. One is making new friends and visualization. Visualizing your success and making new friends. Let me take out, let me tell you what does it mean. Obviously, making new friends, we need to go out and make new friends. You can make a friend with the spirit also. It's not like physical friends like humans or something. So card meaning your circle of friends and acquaintances is shifting to a higher frequency. You are going to a next level. Old friends may part ways and new people are entering your life. As simple as that. So affirmation is that I am grateful to my wonderfully supportive and loving friends. Okay, friends means those who will not run when you need them. Visualization is your clairvoyance, your dreams and the pictures in your mind eye are becoming more clear and powerful. Means you are manifesting your dreams into physical reality. This card asks you to trust to develop your visual skills and to use them in conscious manifestation. Affirmation, it's safe for me to see I am very visual person. Like, as simple as that. So the dreams are real, they are getting manifested and you are on the right path. So balance your emotions, balance. And I always say, sharing is caring. Do you want to share? Do you want to share? Do you want to share? Acha. Thank you.